my video na siguro mauna siya ma-post bago tong vlog na to, which was my whole entire experience of yung TXT na concert. I'll be linking it down below, or here, yung iCard dyan, kung nasa man siya nakapwesto. But, ayun, it's currently 9, and kakagawa ko lang ng coffee. Plans for today, I don't really have much. Baka maglinis lang, as usual. And since wala naman talaga akong plans here, bukod sa concert, which was 2 days ago, and yesterday, yun lang naman ang gagawin ko dito. Hindi naman sobrang pagod, but parang gusto ko lang magpahinga. And yun. Okay. Kailangan ko palang script writing. Script writing yun. Ayusin yung shit sa sit-down video ko because I do have to film. So, bago ko pa pala ito vlog, hindi ko pa siya na-film. Okay. I'm back! Damang-dama ko yung weather sa labas. Like yung windbreaker ko.
Na-break ng wind.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ay, hindi naman. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Ayan, ganyan. Damang-dama ko yung pagka-windbreaker shit ng jacket ko. Bumaba lang ako to get clothes kasi sa sasakyan ko. Kasi naubusan ako ang damit. But, ayun. Bagyo levels na dito sa Manila. Pero, we're still heading out and shit. Pero, I still have to film something. And basically, what we've been doing lang naman today is like literally recharging kasi we are exhausted. And yun lang talaga yung update ko. So I spent the rest of my afternoon filming my sit-down video. If napanood nyo, thank you for watching. But ayun, basically wala naman ako masyadong ginawa bukod sa mag-film and to prep for filming. Today has been a very gloomy day kasi may bagyo pala today. And I've just been chilling here. And yun lang. That is the update. Still in my post-concert thoughts. Di pa rin talaga siya nagsisipin. Yun lang, I'm just sulking in my fangirl shit right now. Parang di pa rin talaga siya nagre-register sa utak ko. Anyway, yun lang. Enough of me fangirling. I'll see you guys kapag may ganap na ako. last ko was may Uniqlo na. Oh my gosh, ang laki ng Uniqlo. Wow, amazing. Okay, anyway, I got distracted. I am running errands. The last time I talked to you was nung nasa Manila pa ako. Pero I've just inserted a few clips from the past few days kung anong mga ganap ko. Pero hindi ako masyado nagsalita. I am off to run some errands as usual. I've just been recharging. It's been a week since the concert, pero I just feel like I need to recharge, you know? Just take a break from everything because even though nagpapahinga naman ako, I'm editing, I'm doing other stuff in between. But, yun, I've been recharging for the past week. I also needed to head out for like some fresh air. I just needed to clear my head for a bit. But yun, that is that. Hindi ko alam kung ako yung binubusinahan ng sasakyan na nasa unahan ko. Pero kasi pagkadaan ko kanina, parang binubusinahan ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Kasi naglalakad lang naman ako doon. Ang OA, ang feeler. Akala niya talaga para sa kanya. Here's my matcha. Diba kanina, na-distract kasi ako dun sa bagong Uniqlo na roadside. So, I decided, why not stop by? You know? Wala naman akong gagawin bukod sa mag-edit. And I need a tote bag kasi may butas na yung Chamberlain na tote bag ko. Even though pwede naman tahiin, but, you know, I'm currently editing the video and I will be ending it here. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.